So, what I've done an experiment where I was just trying to release abdominal tension for kyphosis. I don't know, for a month, on and off. I'm not that strict about it. What I've come to the conclusion is just it's the best to do a combination of cracking the back with a foam roller or two balls along the two sides of the spine, rolling it and everything. Oh, that helps out. Just cracking the back makes all the difference. And then after that, then you start looking for the abdominal restriction, because looking for abdominal restriction without cracking the back is uphill battle, or it was just nearly impossible. So that's what I've come to the conclusion. I don't know. I don't know if it applies to the pelvis also, because right now I do like inverted splits for the pelvis just to crack my pelvis bone or whatever, my inner the rotator, the pelvis, the cuff, and then it helps a lot to figure out, to try to release the muscles, because without cracking the back, the muscles are there. They're the ones restricting it, but without cracking the back, it feels really tight. It feels like the muscle, it's not just a muscle thing. It's a combination of like cracking back with a muscle thing, if for the kyphosis of the rib cage.